Today is Tuesday, so that means it's time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. This Tiny Tidy Tuesday is going down in my guest bathroom, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Tuesdays are one of my favorite days because I love Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Tiny Tidy Tuesday is, as always, brought to you by Sunday Dawn. Her channel name is The Helpful Home. I will link her channel along with the Tiny Tidy Team playlist in my description box below. I hope that we can bring you lots of tiny, tidy cleaning motivation today. Let's get busy cleaning in that guest bathroom.
Took a blow, turned a cheek. Those lessons cut me deep. I've never been the same. Painted bright or monotone, deep splashes of black. In pain the contrast grows. Make a masterpiece of mess. Even unknown can be safe. If the fog is thick, keep pressing on, never shy away. Find the light inside of you, follow warmth and see it through. Throw more.
As with probably most guest bathrooms, this one is kind of small, so it is hard to get angles. So I apologize in advance that there are some angles that you just really cannot see what I am doing. I tried to make those short and sweet, but I did want to make this in somewhat real time. I want to take a moment, if you happen to be new to my channel, to introduce myself. My name is Jen. I am a former teacher and a heart warrior, and I love to bring you homemaking inspiration. I would love to have you in my growing YouTube family, and I love to connect with you in the comments and would love it if you introduce yourself. Also, I am loving these Old Navy workout dresses. They have the shorts and everything built in underneath. It is so comfortable to clean in. So that is why I have this on. Of course, it's sponsored in no way, shape, or form. I just wanted to share that this is absolutely my favorite thing to clean in this summer.
Truth, black and white, took years to untie the bondage of those lies. They're confused, call me lost. I've never been more free. I've never seen so clear. There is life outside the lies. We're diverse and divided.
This new picture that I wanted to hang in my guest bathroom, and I am calling this my Frank and Marie moment because I had to actually clean the wall because you could see where the picture was hanging for years and years, and I call it my Frank and Marie moment because I used to love to watch the show Everybody Loves Raymond, and in one of the shows, Ray and Deborah, two of the characters, they were having a dispute over a suitcase and who was going to put the luggage away, and Marie is talking to Deborah, and she is telling them a story about how they had this fork and spoon and they never really liked it, but it was still hanging on the wall and had been hanging there for like 20 years. And Deborah was like, well, why don't you take it down? And Marie pulled the fork and spoon back, and you could see where the fork and spoon were. And so when I took this picture down and I actually included it in the outtakes, we were laughing so hard that we had the picture stain there.
Learn to thrive. Find the light inside of you. Follow warmth and see it through. Throw more candle on the fire. Go ahead, trust yourself. Find the light inside of you. Follow warmth, see it through. Throw more candle on the fire. Go ahead, trust yourself. Trust
One of my least favorite things to clean in my home is actually the toilet. What is one of your least favorite things to clean in your home?
People knew her by her will to make it whatever she put her mind to. Late night hours up the hill, serving coffee to strangers, talking about revenue. She kept dreaming of a world big enough for everyone. But she knew it must rain before it grows. She kept dreaming of the day butterflies survived the wheel. Even though she got knocked down, it never showed. Dear Lily, where'd you go? Where's your heart at? Why'd you fall back? Lately your afterglow is shining brighter, waking up an easy egg. I remember her in songs, decades old, but it doesn't matter. Stumble across some memories, try to recall before they all shatter. She kept dreaming of a world big enough for everyone, but she knew it must rain before it grows. She kept dreaming of the day butterflies survived the wheel. Even though she got knocked down, it never showed. Dear Lily, where'd you go? Where's your heart at? Why'd you fall back? Lately your afterglow is shining brighter, waking up an easy Where did you go? Where's your heart at? Why did you fall back? Lately your afterglow is shining brighter.
I am weightless. Underneath your wind I soar.
want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please do not forget to check out Sunday's channel in my description box below, along with the Tiny Tidy playlist to see what the rest of the Tiny Tidy team is tidying today. And let me know in the comments what you tidied along with me today. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Love you. Bye-bye. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a tiny... Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. As I just stated, I am going to be cleaning in my guest bathroom today. I want to invite you to tidy something along with me, or if you want to, just take out... Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. I love Tuesdays because I look so... I hope that we can bring you guys lots of tiny tidying motivation today. So sit back, relax, clean along with us.
Turn on.